The Czech Philharmonic Orchestra is an appreciated and respected institution, but Czechs can't find their way towards it. They don't realize how inspiring and amusing classical music can be. Our task? To show people how inspiring the Czech Philharmonic Orchestra can truly be. We created birdhouses and put them in strategic locations to amplify the sound of the birds singing. But the songs weren't just any ordinary tunes. Instead, the birds were singing masterpieces from Smetana, Dvořák, and Vivaldi. We put captions next to the birdhouses where listeners could read about how the birds were inspired by the wonderful music performed by the Czech Philharmonic Orchestra. People came from all around, listening, smiling, wondering, taking pictures, dancing, and downloading the birds singing on their mobile phones via the QR codes placed in the captions. The news about our singing bird boxes spread quickly. Suddenly, everyone knew about the bird songs, whether they had actually heard them or not. With a little help from the sparrow, the titbird, and the wagtail, our Czech Philharmonic Orchestra became an inspiration to many.